Presenting a pre-owned 2015 GMC Terrain SLE-1. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 212,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.